Hi, my name is Sergio Serrato. I'm a tooling engineer here at Haas Automation, and today I'd like to show you the differences between our three Haas Tool Presetter models. For those new to presetting, investing in a tool presetter is the next step towards getting the most out of your shop. Designed to streamline your workflow, Haas Tool Presetters are a great solution for increasing efficiency while simultaneously maintaining precision in your machining operation. By eliminating the need for manual tool measuring, presetters allow tool offsets to be taken prior to each job, ultimately maximizing spindle time and leading to more efficient production runs. Some of you might ask yourselves, why do I need a presetter when I have a perfectly fine wrench system installed in my machine? Well, the reality is you're not really getting the most out of your time. From placing your tool in the correct pockets, to typing in approximate dimensions and running through the probing cycles. While definitely faster and more accurate than using a paper and an edge finder, the spindle isn't turning and machining time is lost. That's where Haas Tool Presetters come in. Offered in three distinct models, each is designed to meet the varying needs of different shops. We'll go over travel, memory capacity, standard tapers, and other important features to give you a complete picture of what each presetter offers. The HPTS 400 is our base model and can be a great fit for smaller shops with 40 taper machines wanting to get into presetting at a cost-effective entry point. The Z and X-axis travels allows for tools to be measured within 15.5 inches in length and 12.5 inches in diameter. Up to 5,000 tools and 50 machine origins can be managed and should be ample for most small to mid-sized shops. The unit comes standard with a 40 taper tool sleeve, 20-inch monitor, tabletop with cabinets, and a 40 taper tool tray. The intermediate HPTS 600 is also a tabletop design, but adds a larger travel of 23.5 by 15.5 and doubles the memory to 10,000 tools and 100 machine origins. With the extended length and diameter capabilities, this unit now features a pneumatic tool interlock system and axis clamping, which we'll look at more closely in a minute. Additionally, the HPTS 600 is equipped with a larger 22-inch monitor and same standard 40 taper tool sleeve. For shops that need to preset tools for a larger fleet of 40 and 50 taper machines, our HPTS 600 Advanced model is likely the answer. While travels are the same as the HPTS 600 at 23.5 by 15.5, memory capacity is increased to 20,000 tools and 200 machine origins. It also uses the pneumatic tool interlock and axis clamping, but adds a pneumatic tool sleeve brake. This HPTS 600 is a sturdier standalone unit equipped with a standard 50 taper tool sleeve and an upgraded 24-inch monitor. Now, let's take a closer look at the pneumatic capabilities on the HPTS 600 and HPTS 600. The pneumatic axis clamping enables quick and easy adjustments in the X and Z at the push of a button, eliminating the need to manually screw the lock into place for every small adjustment, making the process more convenient and efficient. The pneumatic taper sleeve brake, exclusive to the HPTS 600, applies a repeatable clamping force to securely hold the tool sleeve in position during measurements, ensuring stability and accuracy while preventing unwanted movements. Lastly, the pneumatic tool interlocking system on the HPTS 600 and HPTS 600 utilize a pull rod attachment that clamps down the tool when the system is engaged. The pull rod is designed with the integrated magnet to latch onto the pull stud for added strength and a slot for added security to prevent the tool from being pulled out during measurements. When the pull rod and pneumatic system are engaged, this creates a ringing effect between the taper sleeve and the taper of the tool holder, reducing errors related to parallax, misalignment, or positioning of surfaces, ensuring that the measurement taken is as close to the true value as possible. When the pull rod is released, the taper sleeve brake should be engaged to prevent the sleeve from being withdrawn due to the ringing effect between the tool taper and the taper sleeve. The pull rods are available as spare parts only in 40 and 50 tapers on HaasTooling.com, but a taper-specific pair is included with each kit. 30 and HSK 63A tapers are not supported for pneumatic capabilities. Please note that there are two pull rods for each 40 and 50 taper. One is fully compatible with all Haas pull studs, while the other is for non-Haas pull studs. Please refer to the product display pages of each pull rod for more details on which may be the best fit for you. Now, we're out here in our machine shop where we have two HPTS 600 presetters placed strategically to support different sets of machines and operators. As demand for 50 taper presetters has grown, their role in streamlining production has become even more essential. To maximize efficiency, all presetter models have been placed in high volume areas throughout the factory, ensuring operators have easy access when they need them most. By keeping the units within close proximity, we've minimized downtime and improved workflow. Thanks to the intuitive user interface, training has been quick and effective with both day and night shift operators embracing the system and integrating it into their daily routines. Most importantly, this has all been done without disrupting the pace of production. To recap on one of our older videos on the presetter, not only are our presetters great for measuring tool offsets, but are also capable of measuring complex tool geometries and inspecting tool wear. With the ability to monitor tool wear, operators can catch issues like chipped edges, uneven wear, or tool deflection before they affect part quality. By regularly inspecting tools with the presetter, shops can optimize tool life, reduce scrap, and increase cost savings. For data transferring, all units are readily available with the same 3 data transfer methods: through a printed label with the QR code using this wireless scanner, local area network, or USB memory to control. Haas Tool Presetters are integrated with post-processors to support all Haas machines, as well as dozens of other control types, making them a versatile solution for shops running both Haas and non-Haas equipment. Please refer to the machine compatibility section to check if your machine is supported. However, Haas does not guarantee compatibility or provide support for non-Haas machines. Some additional features to know are all tool holder sleeves are interchangeable and can be purchased online if your shop requires multiple tapers for full support, as well as how-to videos are fully integrated into the machine for fast and easy training. Although a presetter may seem like a small part of the production process, its impact on machining accuracy, tool longevity, and overall efficiency is invaluable. With Haas offering some of the most affordable options on the market, these are really worth considering for any shop trying to optimize high production workflow while also maintaining accuracy. Thanks for watching.